Pop Century recently did a little bit of a refurb to not only the public spaces at the resort, but also to the rooms themselves. Let's take a look at what changes have been made to the rooms and what they look like now. Today we're going to be sharing a tour of the newly refurbished rooms at Pop Century. The resort itself was recently updated with the lobby being redone along with the dining areas as well. A lot of guests were pretty shocked about how different the lobby looks now and were a bit disappointed that some of the other nostalgia was removed, but the rooms themselves haven't changed a whole lot. So let's look at what was redone and you can see what the updated rooms look like. This room specifically was a pool view room, but truthfully no matter what type of view room you book, you're going to be getting pretty much the same thing unless you happen to get a king bedroom. All of the rooms at this point have been refurbished, so if you're checking into Pop Century anytime soon, this is what they're going to look like. Pop Century has the classic value layout where you walk into the room from outside, and you can see here the flooring is slightly different, as are the chairs over here. You'll have your cabinet with your coffee maker, beverage cooler, coffee, tea, sugar, things like that. And just a reminder, this is a beverage cooler. So like most of the standard rooms at Walt Disney World, these don't get cold enough to be classified as a mini fridge. Over here, you have the table and chairs. You can see that the chairs have been redone. So they were upholstered with a different type of fabric. And the flooring here is actually tiles. I know some people look at photos and they'll think it's carpet. It isn't carpet. It's not like an area rug. It is actually tiles that are built into the floor. Then you'll have a queen size bed and a queen size pull down Murphy bed. And I will show you what the room looks like with that down. On either side of the queen bed, you're gonna have shelving and outlets. So you'll have standard plug outlets as well as USB and USB-C outlets on both sides. There are lighting controls. So if you have two people sharing the bed, you can each control your lighting. There are some hooks over here for things that you might need to hang. This is a connecting room, so you can see that that is the connecting door. The bed is raised, which I always like because then you can shove your luggage under there. It's helpful for saving some space. Over here, you'll have the TV and the dresser. You have three pretty good sized drawers. And then on this side, you're gonna have a safe, shelf, and then the extra pillows that go to the Murphy bed. There are also more outlets above the dresser. And there is a sliding door that separates the whole bathroom from the rest of the room. This is pretty much the classic layout that you're going to see in a lot of these rooms. The vanity is separated from the shower and toilet. You have a nice big lighted mirror along with a makeup mirror. There's lots of space on the counters for you to put your stuff. It also comes with hand soap and lotion. And you can see there's some shelving. Here is a closet for you to hang your things up. And more storage space over here for things like toiletries. They do have this little cabinet that has a hair dryer in it. So yeah, there's a pretty good amount of storage in the bathroom itself. And then there's another sliding door that closes off the shower and toilet. On the back of that door, there's a full-size mirror. And then in the shower, you have toiletries that are included, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. These are pretty similar to the H2O products. Essentially, H2O is no longer in business, but Disney did replace them with basically the same thing. And then you have two shower heads. And that is the room layout. Pretty standard. Another part of the refurb that they did was the window treatments. So you have a little bit of a retro-ish oh boy Mickey curtain. Really cute, kind of just adds a little color to the room. And here's a look with the Murphy bed pull down. So obviously to pull that down, you're gonna wanna move the chairs out of the way and then the whole thing just pulls down. So you can see what it looks like with the Murphy bed down. And that Murphy bed hasn't really changed. It's the same artwork as it was before. So really overall, the room doesn't look a whole lot different than it did before. I know that the refurbishments in the lobby are a bit polarizing, but I actually think the few little changes they made in these rooms are fun. I think they're nice. I think they add some color. They add a little bit of personality and they fit with the theme of the resort. If you're familiar with the All-Stars and Pop Century, The rooms all pretty much look the same before. I think it just adds a little something extra. You know, it's not going to be enough to convince you to stay at Pop Century versus the All-Stars, but if you're already thinking of staying at Pop Century, I do think this is pretty fun. I don't know that I think it was really necessary for them to do this, but I do think it's cute. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your opinions about the room itself, or if you want to comment about the resort too, that's fine. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.